Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about lowriders. You know those cars that sit lower than my self-esteem after trying to assemble IKEA furniture? And today we've got an absolute showstopper. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird Custom, also known as Tango. This rolling work of art isn't just a car, it's the automotive equivalent of a Hollywood A-lister walking the red carpet, dripping in style, packed with power, and guaranteed to make people stare. Before we dive under the hood, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. If you love custom rides, crazy car stories, and a bit of humor sprinkled in, this is the place for you. Now, let's get into it. The Tango Thunderbird is the brainchild of legendary customizer Rick Dore, a guy who looks at factory cars the way we look at plain toast, knowing full well that a bit of creativity can turn it into something truly delicious. This beauty runs on a rebuilt 390 cubic inch, 0.4-litre, 8-cylinder V-shaped engine, paired with a smooth factory automatic transmission. This means it doesn't just look good, it moves with the grace of a ballroom dancer and the power of a heavyweight boxer. And speaking of looks, let's talk about that custom Tequila Sunrise urethane paint job. If cars had a dress code, this Thunderbird would be showing up in a full gold-plated tuxedo. The pinstriping, done by Doug Jerger, adds just the right touch of flair, like a perfectly placed pocket square. The top has been chopped by 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters, making it look sleeker than a mob boss's getaway car. The fenders stretched, the handles shaved off, the corners rounded to perfection. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's great, but how does it ride? Glad you asked. This Thunderbird comes equipped with an Air Ride Technologies airbag system, meaning you can slam it to the ground or raise it up like it just got a pep talk from a motivational speaker. It sits on 14 by 7 inch, 35.5 by centimeter Segundo wheels wrapped in classic whitewall tires because no proper lowrider leaves home without them. Inside, the luxury doesn't stop. Italian Pearl White Naugahyde upholstery mixed with vibrant orange fabric makes this interior feel like it belongs in a high-end fashion boutique rather than a car. The dashboard has been smoothed and filled, creating a clean, custom look. And because a ride this cool needs the right soundtrack, it's packing a Panasonic 10 compact disc stereo with MTX amplifiers and speakers. So, whether you're blasting some old-school funk or just listening to a podcast about conspiracy theories, you'll be doing it in style. Let's not forget the performance. That rebuilt 390 cubic inch, 6.4-litre, 8-cylinder V-shaped engine breathes through an Edelbrock Performer intake and a 650 cubic feet per minute carburetor, ensuring you get all the power you need to cruise smoothly. The jet hot-coated exhaust and dual-hooker stainless glass packs mean this baby sounds just mean as it looks. And of course, keeping things cool under the hood is a 4-row United States radiator, because overheating is only acceptable when you're talking about spicy food, not classic cars. And here's the kicker. This masterpiece is going up for sale at the Mecum auction in Glendale on March 21st, 2025. If you've got deep pockets and a passion for rolling art, this might just be your chance to own a true legend. Of course, all the official details and specifications are available in the link down in the video description, so be sure to check that out. So, what do you think of the Tango Thunderbird? Would you cruise in this beauty, or do you prefer something with a little more muscle? Drop a comment below and let's talk cars.